Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this ear cleaner that I just received. So this is the top part. It comes with the little pump right here, and this is where you fill it up with water. It tells you to please use warm water, so that is very important. It comes with 4 tips. That's exactly where you're gonna put it. They are reusable, so you could just change them out whenever you need. There's a warranty card, and then there is a user manual. So to close this, when you fill it up with water, there's an arrow right here and an arrow right here. So you just make sure they are aligned like this, and then it just clicks in perfectly. Something that I really like about this ear cleaner is that there's no wire, there's no, you don't need batteries. You could just use it whenever you need with no wire, no outlet, no batteries, which is very convenient. Now I'm gonna fill this up with water and I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna line the arrows together. There's an arrow right here. I did fill it up with water. Make sure the pump's in there. You just gotta make sure that it clicks on perfectly. There we go. And then I'm gonna put one of the tips. Put one of the tips. Make sure that it fits perfectly. There we go. And now I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so my mom said that she has a lot of wax in her ears, so she's going to try it out. So you got to press the button. So that's how it sprays, and now we're going to test it out in her ear. Go, you got to press it. No, don't do that. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, perfect. And now you can see the little particles. They're swimming around. So there is a couple small particles of her wax in there, so that is very good. Her ears are nice and clean. We're just gonna rinse it out. Make sure that is rinsed out. If you guys need a ear cleaner that doesn't need any batteries or any wires, I recommend this one.